Homeowners in Frisco are always looking for ways to make their homes more comfortable, energy efficient, and visually appealing. One upgrade that continues to gain popularity is the installation of awning windows. Known for their practical design and modern look, awning windows offer a range of benefits that make them an excellent choice for homes throughout the Frisco area. Improved ventilation for year-round comfort. One of the biggest advantages of awning windows is the excellent ventilation they provide. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, creating a small canopy-like structure. This design allows fresh air to flow into your home even when it's raining. For Frisco homeowners who want to enjoy fresh air without worrying about sudden weather changes, awning windows are a smart solution. Because they open outward, these windows direct airflow inside rather than letting it escape. This can help keep rooms feeling fresh and comfortable, especially during the warmer months when natural ventilation is highly valued. Energy efficiency for Texas weather. Frisco's climate can bring intense summer heat and cooler winter temperatures. Awning windows help maintain a more energy-efficient home by creating a tight seal when closed. Their compression seal reduces the chances of drafts and helps keep conditioned air inside. This improved insulation can help homeowners rely less on heating and cooling systems, which may lead to lower energy costs over time. By minimizing air leaks, awning windows contribute to a more stable indoor temperature, helping families stay comfortable regardless of the season. Added protection from rain. Like many window styles, awning windows can remain open during light rain. Their outward opening design naturally shields the window opening from water, allowing fresh air to enter without letting rain inside. This is particularly useful in Frisco, where weather can shift quickly. Homeowners can keep their windows open for ventilation without rushing to close them at the first sign of rain. Enhanced privacy without sacrificing light. Awning windows are often installed higher on walls, making them a great option for rooms where privacy is important. Bathrooms, bedrooms, and even basements can benefit from awning windows because they allow natural light to enter while limiting outside visibility. By positioning these windows higher on the wall, homeowners can enjoy bright, naturally lit spaces without compromising their sense of privacy. Perfect for smaller spaces. Awning windows are compact and versatile, making them ideal for areas where larger window styles may not fit. They work well in tight spaces, above doors, in bathrooms, or as accent windows combined with larger fixed windows. Many Frisco homeowners choose awning windows to complement picture windows or sliding windows. The fixed window provides a wide view, while the awning window offers ventilation, creating a balanced and functional design. Modern style that enhances curb appeal. In addition to their functionality, awning windows offer a sleek and modern appearance that can enhance a home's overall design. Their clean lines and contemporary look make them a great fit for both modern and traditional homes in Frisco. Because they can be installed individually or grouped together, awning windows offer flexibility in architectural design. Homeowners can create unique window arrangements that add character and visual interest to their homes. Easy operation and maintenance. Awning windows are typically operated using a simple crank mechanism, making them easy to open and close. This feature is particularly helpful when the windows are placed higher on the wall. Their design also helps reduce the amount of debris and rain that enters the window opening, which can make maintenance easier compared to some other window types. A smart upgrade for Frisco homes. Installing awning windows is a practical and stylish upgrade that can improve comfort, ventilation, and energy efficiency in Frisco homes. With their ability to provide fresh air during rainy weather, enhance privacy, and fit into smaller spaces, awning windows offer a versatile solution for many homeowners. Whether you are renovating your home or simply looking for ways to improve airflow and natural light, awning windows can be a valuable addition that enhances both the functionality and appearance of your living space.